In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an API key on BambooHR. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is sign into your account. And then from here on your dashboard, you want to go to the bottom left and click on your account here, so your profile icon. Now, when you do this, next to it, it's going to say API keys. So just click on that. And then from here, it's going to load up the API key screen where you can, of course, create one. So there's going to be your API keys over here. And to create a new one, you want to click on a new API key here at the top. And when you do this, you want to give it a name. I'm going to name this one test. And you want to click on create key. When you do this, there we go. Here's your API key. Now make sure you actually copy it because you won't be able to see it again. And you shouldn't share this with anyone because this is, of course, a secret key. So make sure you don't share it and make sure you save it. Now I'm going to delete this one after this video, but just know that, of course, it's a private thing. Click on close and there we go. You have created your API key. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.